capsule, we describe an NLP task which is sentiment analysis. In sentiment analysis, we determine whether a piece of writing is positive, negative, or neutral. Natural language processing and machine learning can interpret and classify emotions in subjective information. In ESG, we use sentiment analysis as target-oriented. So we are aiming to identify opinions or attitudes towards topics or entity, for example, product. Sentiment analysis has many applications. We apply sentiment analysis to find the tone of reviews in social media, sentiment of customer opinions, or sentiment of product reviews. Sentiment analysis has some application in market research, brand monitoring, reputation management, and finance and stock monitoring, and can be used to hear the voice of employees. There are three types of sentiment. Document level, which classifies an opinion document as expressing a positive or negative opinion or sentiment. So is sentence level, which classifies sentiment expressed in each sentence, or is aspect level, so it's classified the sentiment with respect to the specific aspects of entities, which we have it for ESG. On the other hand, there are three different approaches for sentiment analysis. So it is based on machine learning. So it's machine learning approach, which uses several learning algorithms to determine the sentiment by training on a known data sets. Lexicon-based approach, which involves calculating sentiment polarity using the semantic orientation of words or sentences in the review. The semantic orientation is a measure of subjectivity and opinion in text. Rule-based approach, which looks for opinion words in a text and then classifies them based on the number of positive and negative words. We consider different rules for classifications such as dictionary polarity, negation words, booster words, idioms, emoticons, or mixed opinions. Some examples of implementation of NLP in ESG are sentiment of the news, sentiment of a company reports, or sentiment of earning calls. There is one pre-trained model which is called FINBERT for sentiment analysis. FINBERT is introduced in 2019 and is a language model based on BERT to tackle NLP tasks in financial domain. Its objective is polarity analysis, which is classifying text as positive, negative, or neutral. We can apply it for the analysis of financial text, news, analyst reports, or official company announcements. It is able to do the token and sentence level embeddings in financial domain for financial text classification, text clustering, extractive summarization, or entity extraction. FINBERT is trained on TRC2 Financial, which is 1.88 million articles published by Reuters, and is evaluated on FIQA sentiment scoring and financial phrase bank. So here we try to use FINBERT to see how it is effective to predict the sentiment of sentences in financial findings of companies.